Well, it's a very gloomy today here in sunny Queensland. We've really not been having much sun at all lately, but we'll see how the lighting goes and hopefully it works out okay. Anyway, let's get into 10 riffs that we can make today using only 2 notes. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Please subscribe if you enjoy the video today, as this will really help me out, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment. So let's jump straight into our riff number 1, starting on some A notes. And we're going to use only A's for the first riff. So let's start down low with the left hand. Left, left, right, right, wait, and up. And for riff number 2, let's have the hands play a little bit together on the first note and then interact together. So both right, left, wait, left, left, both right, left, wait, left, left. Now for riff number 3, let's add an E down in the left hand. Both right, left, and E. Now let's add a second note into the right hand. For riff number 5, let's double the left hand rhythm and head down to TTs in our A notes. So we'll have 2 left hand notes, then add the right hand E. If at any stage your hand's feeling too tight or your hand is quite a small hand anyway, you can drop anything to just a low note in the left hand and just make sure that your hand isn't getting too tense as we go. Continuing on with our riff number 6, we can double the right hand rhythm. So we have TTs up here with the A, get that going, and then add your left hand over the top. Here we go. So A's, finish on E. And on we go to riff number 7, and we'll bring our hand in closer here. So on the E's and the A's, and we'll go through at half speed. Allowing the wrists to do little figure 8s in the movement as we go. Then as we go double speed for riff number 8, let's think of not so much the big figure 8s, but be mindful of scratching the keys as we go to keep it a nice, neat, active finger there. On to riff 9, let's make our hands move now in the opposite direction, starting from our pinkies coming in little groups of 3s. Then we might even change to a D. Then for our last challenge of riff number 10, let's do both of those, but change up the rhythm grouping. So let's do a group of 3, 3, and then 2, and then we'll shift the pattern. So on the A's and the E's, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then let's change to a D, an A pattern. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. I might put that all together into a run for you just to join them all on, and we'll see how we go with that. Remember to have an experiment yourself and mix them around, add maybe a different note to the A's other than an E or a B. You might like to move it to different black key patterns and make up your own riffs too. So thanks for joining me today. Each Thursday I make new videos, so I look forward to catching you next time, and thanks for joining me today. Ta-da!